Hello everyone, myself Vikas Singhal, and I am an MNIT 2004 computer science graduate, and I secured fifth rank in UPC 2000 exam. So today I'm going to talk about the brute force approach. This is a very effective way to solve maths or physics problem. And I just give an example. So let's start. So I'm just start sharing my screen. Uh, so yeah, and this test this technique you can use for CAT and GMAT too. So without wasting a time, let's go for the question. So for example, this is a particular question which came in AIEEE exam, and which basically if you solve it in a very traditional way, it will take a lot of time to you. But here I just give you an example. So let's try, you know, n is equal to 1. Okay, so what you will get in the first equation, because r is equal to 1 goes to n is equal to 1, so it will be just 1. So it will come log a, right? R is equal to 1, so it will be a, and then b is power 0, right? B is power 0, which means is equal to k log uh, a, n is equal to 1, so a powers 2 divided by b's power 2 is 1, right? So n is equal to 1, so it will become a power 0. And we know power 0 means it is always 1. So what does that mean? It will be log a is equal to a log a, right? A power 2. So, and upon this is a b's power 0, which is nothing but a 1. Okay, so we're not just mentioning over it. And when I say this, it means it's a log a is equal to a's power 2. We can write 2k log a, right? I just taking 2 onto the like log a's power n is equal to n log a. So I use that formula and I just kept 2 over here. Log a can be cancelled. So k is equal to become 1/2. What we would infer from here that this is the right set of answers what is given to you. So when I put n is equal to 1, it will become a 2. When I put n is equal to 1, b become a 1. When I put c is equal to n is equal to 1, it will become a 1/2. When I put d, then it means become a 2/2 is equal to 1. So what I can definitely say, c is the answer. If you solve this particularly by a traditional method, it is a lot more calculations, and you will take at least 5 to 10 minutes to solve this single question. But the moment you use this, it's just a minute and you are on the answer. And sometimes this is a very useful when you can even strike out of 4 answers, you can strike off 3 answers or 2 answers, and then after the 2 you may try the some another value, right? So now go to the second question, and this is the ABCR in HP and then the value of B plus AB minus. So here we just have a n, the one variable, right? Here we have a lot variables. So there are 3 variables what you are seeing that which are in HP. So let's take an example. Let's take 1/2, 1/3, and 1/4, right? These are the HP list which you can see. So what does it mean? It is increasing by 1 as a difference, which is in the denominator, right? Now, when you calculate the value of b plus a, b minus a, it means it will become a 1/3 plus b plus a means 1/2 divided by, let's take a bracket for the clarity purpose, right? 1/3 minus 1/2, and then we just go over here and it is b plus c. B plus c means it will become 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, right? And then divided by 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. I'm sorry, I just took A is equal to 1 by 2, sorry, 1 by 2, and B is equal to, we took it, it was B plus A. A is my 1 by, we can take it as simple, right? 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Make it a bit simpler here. So let's just do some other calculation. So it will come a 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1, right? And it will become a B 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, right? And it will become a 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Does this make sense? B, I'm just taking an example of 1 by 2, A is taken as a 1 and C as a 1 by 3. So this equation B plus A, B plus AB minus A, B plus C or B minus C. What does that mean is equal to? It will become a 2, 2 plus 1, 3 divided by 2 minus 1, right? 1 minus 2 is 3, and then plus, and then it will become a 2, 5, and divided by 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, right? That means it is equal to coming 2. And what are the answers are given below? So here the answers. Answers are 2, ABC. ABC we know is a 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, so it can't be. So what is our answer is A. Do you get it? I mean, this is a very simplistic approach, and within few minutes you're able to solve the complex problems which you do with a lot of calculations and other part of it. So in the first part, it was a one variable. In the second part, we have a three variables. And I just take another moment and I just go for the third question, and where we have a, lot of variables. So basically P is a variable, term of AP is A is a variable, Q is a variable, B is a variable, and then the terminology is a variable. This looks too complex. Even sometimes this comes in the physics too, that we're like a lot of variables and you just think, oh, this we can't use the brute force over here. But guys, we can do even here. So let's take it with the example. Let's suppose Pete, let's suppose the AP, what you see is 1 slash 2 slash and 3. Pth term, let's take it as a first term, and the value of first term is 1. Then the qth term, let's take it as a second term, and the value is 2. So if the pth term of AP is a A, the qth term is a B, what does that mean? The first term is 1 and the second term is 2. Then the sum of P plus Q term is, right? So what is the sum of P plus 2? Means third term, right? 1 plus 2 is equal to third. Third term, what is the sum? Sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3. It means what is our answer is sum is equal to, sum is 6. We got an answer. Now we just need to fit these values into this answer, right? So what will be the A count? It will come P plus Q, which is 3 divided by 2, and then 3 plus 2, 5, and plus 3 minus A is my, and this is, I can just say in a clarity purpose, term of is A. So this is equal to A, and this is equal to B, right? So what it means is 5 plus, it will come a minus 1, right? And P minus Q. P is 1, so it will also become a minus 1, right? What will be coming over here? It is 5 minus minus cancels, so it will become a 3 by 2 multiplied by 6. It's a plus b. A plus b is equal to 3. Sorry. So it will come 3 here, 3 plus this. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. So 2 by 2 is equal to, that means it become a 6. This is my A. My answer is already 6. So I can say it's a most probable answer, but yes, we need to, before telling this, we need to check the other answers too. Sometimes what I say, that your other option may also come 6, and then you need to try the some other values. So just have a look over that. Okay. So now we'll just go with the p plus q. It will become a 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. And v minus b, p plus q, we already talked about, it is a plus 1. So it will become a 2 by 2, means it will become a 3. No, it cannot be. Let's take the c. C is already 0, so this cannot be. Let's take the d. And d will become a p minus q. It means 1 minus 2. It means become a 1 minus 1. Right? Divided by 2 multiplied by a plus b. It means it's a 3 plus a minus b. Uh, a minus b is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1, and p minus q is equal to minus 1. So it will become a plus 1. But now the answer would be 2, 3 plus 1, 4, 2 to 4 minus 2, right? Do you think, you know, uh, is it the answer? No. So we already know the answer is A, and we can stamp over it, right? So I hope you like this video, and I'm really very excited. If you have any other questions, mathematics problem, physics problem, which you stuck, and where you feel, oh, this is a problem where I could do better, or I could solve in a faster way, just drop a mail to me, and my email ID is vikassinghal@outlook.com. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.